Matt Richards with BZBGEAR. We are here at the BZBGEAR booth, and there's a couple of products that are over here that I want to talk about. So let's go ahead and get into it. Well, if you are into 8K, you might need to send some longer runs of 8K signal, especially if you're into esports and you're trying to do something like an esports arena. Well, if we take a look at this, we have our BG EXH 8K C6 as well as our BG EXH 8KF. Now, these are two extenders for 8K that we have, which means you also get 4K at 120 as well as 1080p at 240 hertz. Now, the big difference between these two is going to be the 8KF is going to give you a fiber connection, whereas the 8K C6 is going to be over cat cable. So you're going to get a little bit of a shorter run with the 8K C6 as opposed to the 8KF, excuse me. But they're both going to be reasonably similar in terms of what they're going to offer you and give you. Now, one of the really cool things with these is you can actually do peripheral support through USB on these. So really, really awesome extenders. If you're interested in more 8K products or 8K extenders, go ahead, check out the website. You can go to these QR codes here, and they will take you directly to the website for both of these products. And you can go ahead and check out the web pages for these products. If you're interested in more information on 8K, we have more information on our website. You can check out the knowledge base, but we would highly recommend you to go check out our YouTube page. We're going to have more content coming here from ISE 2026. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys in the next video.